Furball is going to help me demonstrate sewing with the treadle machine. You place your fabric underneath the needle and put the presser foot down. The key is to get the wheel spinning before you put your foot on the treadle. It spins towards you, and so you get a good rhythm going and get a feel for what the treadle is doing before you start picking it up with your foot. If you get your rhythm wrong, if you stop and start, run backwards, you're going to break stitches, and you may skip stitches in your sewing. So I made a circle. Furball did not catch the needle, fortunately. And there we have our stitch. The top stitch is nice and even, and so is the bottom stitch. Do you approve, Furball?